Hello everyone, my name is Atul Palandurkar. I'm an international trainer and author. Let me start today's podcast with a small question. Do you find yourself a good, happy, fun loving, naughty person? A trusted friend? A helping member of society? If not, go back to know your child version, visit your grandparents, adoringly convince you how good you were. Pay your love to your parents. They will make you believe how happy you were as a child. Meet your teachers. They will tell you how fun loving and naughty you used to be. Have a picnic with your school friends and they will make you realize how much they used to trust you as a friend. Go and ask your neighbors. They will tell you how helpful you were used to be. The genius or the genuine smile and the true happiness on their faces will clean bold you. Believe me, you were your best as a child. I strongly suggest you to go back and meet these people to explore your child version. I recommend it more than that of any high rated vacation or religious discourse or anything else to explore the best way to be a complete person. Hope you understand what I was saying. Thank you. See you again.